Hello everybody, this is Fazal Rabi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lecture, we will discuss the different uses of preposition to and for, which is often confusing one, and we will eradicate the confusion. So stay with the lecture till the end. Before starting my lecture, it is advised to visit my other video on preposition, which will surely help you in this lecture as well. So let's get started. First of all, don't ever say, I am studying every day for improve my English. It is wrong. But you have to say, I am studying every day to improve my English. The preposition to and for are very easy to confuse. Here we have some rules. We have to use to in these cases. Case number 1. It will be used for destination. For example, we are going to Paris. The second example will be, he cried for help. Please come to me. The second rule for it will be, it should be used for time. For example, if someone asks, what time is it? It is 3:45 or it is 10 to 5. Case number 3, it should be used for distance. For example, it is about 10 miles from my house to the university. The second example is, he has few miles left to Lahore. So it should be used with the distance. Case number 4 is, it should be used for comparing two things. For example, I prefer sleeping to working. Another example here is, they like singing to reading. Case number 5. Giving. If you are giving something to other, you have to use preposition to. For example, I gave the book to my sister. Another example is, he paid an attribution to the winning team. Case number 6. For motive or reason. In this case, we will be having verb after to. For example, I came here to see you. Here we have used see as a verb. Second example is, he ran fast to catch the ball. Here catching is a verb. Now we are discussing the preposition for. For it, case number 1 will be, it should always be used for benefits. Yogurt is good for your digestion. Here we have given the benefits of yogurt. In second example, English classes will be helpful for your interview. Here the benefits of English classes has been discussed. Case number 2, it should be used for period of time. For example, we have lived here for 2 years. Second example is, new players been selected for one tournament. So here, one tournament is also the period of time, because this one tournament will be played in a specific period of time. Case number 3. It should be used for schedule. For example, he arranged exam for the weak students. Here, the schedule has been defined. I made an appointment for April 9th. Case number 4. If you are agree with. It should be used if you are agree with. This case will be cleared by the example, are you for or against the development of nuclear weapons? Here for has been used for agreement. Second example is, you are for or against the co-education. Case number 5 is doing something to help someone. For example, could you carry these books for me? The other example is the principal will take class for the absent teacher. Here, one person is helping the other. For example, the teacher is absent, so his class is going to be taken by principal. So he is doing something and helping the other. Case number 6. For should be used for motive and reason. But the case is, there will be noun after it. For example, let's go out for a drink. Second example is, he was waiting for the guests. So here the guest is a noun. Case number 7. For should be used for the function of something, and it should be used with the verb, especially with the present participle ing. For example, the ladle is a big spoon used for serving soap. Second example is, chalk is made of lime used for writing on the board. So here we have the ing form of the verb. One thing should be noted that for motive and reasons, both to and for are used. The difference for to is to will be used with the verb and for will be used with a noun. Here is a good example. I came to New York to work. I came to New York for a job. Here a job is a noun, so we have used for with it. Let's go out to drink. Here drink is used as a verb. Let's go out for a drink. Here a drink has been used as a noun. Now to summarize today's lecture. Here we studied that to should always be used with the destination. For example, we are going to Paris. It should also be used with the time. It is 3:45. It should always be used with the distance. Few miles left to Lahore. With comparing. They like singing to reading. For giving. I gave the book to my sister. Its other use will be for motive and reason. I came here to see you. Now uses of for. For should be used for benefits. Yogurt is good for digestion. It can also be used with the period of time. They lived here for 2 years. It can be used with the schedule. He arranged exam for me. If you are agree with, you are for or against the law. It should be used if you are doing something to help someone. Could you carry these books for me? It could also be used for motive and reason. Let's go out for a drink. Lastly, it should be used for a function of a thing. The ladle is a big spoon used for serving soap. So it's all for today. If you like this lecture, please share it with your nears and dears. Thank you so much.